Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a moving part on your 3D printer in Fusion 360. Firstly, you're going to click Create Sketch and click the bottom plane. Then what we're going to do is make a 2-point rectangle. Okay, now what we're going to do is just going to create like this little outward thing on the end. Then what we're going to do is we're going to make this a bit bigger. Put up to there and up to here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this at 40 millimeters and then put this at 20 millimeters and then do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to revolve this and it should work. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to extrude the square, the two things on the side with symmetric and put it up to about 10 millimeters. Then I'm going to unhide the sketch, which it automatically hides. Then I'm going to revolve this one around, just to join, and then its axis should be this. Now if you think that one's too big, you can just edit the sketch. So I'm going to place it to about half of what it was. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do shift middle button and select this is the profile and it's yep. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to round these 4 edges. Let's do fillet and let's just push it down until it looks about right. Okay, happy with that. Next what I'm going to do is I'm going to construct another plane about 0.2, 0.4 away. And then we can go straight onto the other side, construct, and make it 0.4 away. Now if you're wondering why I'm doing this, I think I've accidentally made the planes a little bit too close to each other. Let's edit this. Yep, offset this. Okay, let's make it 3 millimeters. Let's change plane 2 and make it 3 millimeters. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a sketch on this one and we're going to click OK. Let's click escape here. So let's finish the sketch firstly. And what I'm going to do instead, create form, where was it? Section view. Okay, I'm going to do section analysis and cut this in half. Then let me edit the sketch too. Let's hide this plane. Now let's create a circle from the middle of this. And we can do dimension, this, and then escape. What was it? Let's see. Where? Firstly, here's a simpler way to do it. I'll just create a circle that's this size, and then let me put dimension, and then click this one, and then let me change it to about 3. Now that we have a bigger one, I'm gonna do another circle, goes in the center, and we pretty much have the outer casing done. Gonna have to finish this sketch and click inspect, section analysis, and uncut the plane. Then I'm going to hide sketch 1 because we have no use for it anymore. Click extrude on this and move it from to, where is it? To object plane 2. So now you're probably wondering what to do now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and click tangent plane. Then we're going to put a plane exactly like that, so it's just facing off. I'll hide plane 1 and plane 2 and click create sketch. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a 2-point rectangle roughly about the size of this. I'm going to make a plane off this plane, so we'll construct a plane off of this plane and we'll push that bit further back. Let's push it to about 40 millimeters away. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to extrude. I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to select this and I'm going to, let me hide plane 3. I'm going to copy this. Now let me just unhide both of these planes. Click extrude and click this one. Then let's do it to object and click this. Now we'll automatically join this. Let's hide these two. Let's hide the sketch. And as you can see, it works perfectly fine. And if you want to be sure of it, you can do section analysis and push this back. Now, as long as you print it in the right direction, this should be a print in place hinge. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe and share. Bye.